Hello friends, I have a new mold today. This is a puzzle mold. Got it off of Amazon. So on this side you have the puzzle pieces, and according to the listing this does make an actual complete puzzle. And then when you flip it over, on this side is the I guess like the tray or base that you fill up to build the puzzle inside of. So, it is one of my housemate's birthdays coming up. She loves puzzles, and she also loves cats, because we have 4 in the house, so clearly she loves cats. So, I also have the sheet of clear, I don't know, plastic or whatever. It does have a film on it, which is why it looks a little filmy right now. And it's all cats, as you can see. So I'm going to cut these up to put inside the puzzle pieces for her. I thought that would be kind of fun. And so while my resin is warming up, I'm going to go ahead and cut these out and then get that all ready. Today I'm using the art resin from, or the maker resin from Total Boat. So I will not be talking through, you know, the pouring process because it is very stinky, and clearly I always say use your mask, so I will be using my mask as always. So yeah, we're gonna cut these out. I'll speed up filling everything up, and then we will come back for the unmolding. Yee, I'm excited. Stay tuned. Hey guys, this is a gentle reminder to please hit that like button, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks so much. Alrighty friends, the puzzle pieces are cured. I'm going to go ahead and pop those out, and then I will pour the base part. I'm really super nervous that the pieces aren't going to fit each other. I tried my hardest not to over pour anything, but hopefully they work out. I'm still kind of sad that I didn't have pieces that were small enough to fit these four. But anyway, let's give it a shot, shall we? The cats look super cool in it, though. Okay. Let's see. So these pieces don't actually go together anyway, but I just kind of wanted to see. Okay. I might put this puzzle together for you guys. On the Amazon listing for this mold, they have the puzzle completed, so I think I can follow along and see where pieces go and stuff. Got some glitter in that one. Oh well. She won't mind. She's actually gotten into diamond paintings lately. So she's been doing those, but our house is filled with completed puzzles that she's completed. Okay. That's all the pieces. You know what? Let me pull up the Amazon listing, try and put this together to see, just to make sure that the puzzle pieces fit. And yeah, I'll be right back once I hopefully get it put together. Hang tight. Alright, it's all together. It took forever, but luckily, I'll show you guys this. On the actual Amazon listing, they tell you how to put it together. So, I got it together. It's so cute. I did have to do a little bit of wiggling around. Luckily, the pieces are still a little bit flexible because I unmolded this before the 24 hours. So I'm trying to decide now if I want to keep it in puzzle form for a few hours for the rest of it to cure, so that way, the way that I've, had to stretch and move things, we'll keep those shapes in there. I think that's probably what I'm going to do. But I think it turned out great. I mean, obviously, it would look a lot different if I used, just colors or whatever in the puzzle instead of the cats. But I think she's going to love it. I am still kind of sad that I couldn't fit cats in those pieces, but I think she's going to love it. I'm not going to make you guys watch me fill in the base, just because, it'd be boring, and there's really no point since I've already put the thing together. So, but anyway, So that's going to be today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like content like this, please stick around by clicking that subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Please give the video a like if you liked it. Thanks so much again for watching, guys. Take care.